Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's tap on it and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. If you want to perform a really quick removal of the browsing data, simply tap on Clear Browsing History, and there you will remove something from the last 15 minutes. Of course, you can change the time range, and here you've got the info what you will remove. However, if you want to remove something either manually or some advanced browsing data, simply tap on the three dots icon and tap on the history. Here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, so if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and they will disappear. Or if you want to remove advanced browsing history, just tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got the basic options with the browsing history, cookie associated data, and cached images and files, and advanced options with saved passwords, auto-clean from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time, and then tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.